going to make a Bhaji rice today. So let's go outside and pick some Dasheen bush leaves and some herbs to go in our Bhaji rice. I picked 20 taro leaves and I picked a plantain leaf. That's just to cover it to add more flavor. I guess it's a Caribbean thing. So I'm adding my taro leaves or Dasheen bush leaves. I'm picking some small thyme, some chili peppers, and then we're going to pick some pimento. It's a sweet pepper, some dill, basil, Jamaican thyme, culantro, bandania. I don't know how you say it. I don't know what's going on with my oregano. I don't know if it's the sun. I don't know. Add that to the basket. Now let's go and pick some sage. This is sage bush. And I find when I boil it with my rice, it gives the rice a nice flavor. So I'm going to try it in my Dasheen bush and rice cook-up today. In this recipe, coconut milk is a must-have. How the coconut is tilted. Hear that? So we're gonna crack this baby open and give it a good blend. Let's start with the taro leaves. Now in Trinidad, we cook everything. We don't try it away. So the whole taro leaf we're going to use, right? So these is all the ingredients that I picked outside. I'm going to add some onion, some garlic. Normally you would add tomatoes to this, but I didn't have any. So, and you could either add saltfish. So I'm going to only add the chicken stock when this coconut milk has absorbed into the rice, and once that's dried out a good bit, then I will add the chicken stock, right? So this is the end of my taro leaves rice cook-up. It is really creamy and full of flavor. You notice I didn't add any salt. I didn't add any salt because my chicken stock had a lot of flavor. Check out these recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.